The Chime virtual card is a convenient and secure way to make online transactions. But sometimes it may become temporarily unavailable. If you are experiencing this issue, do not worry, as it can be resolved quickly. First, ensure that your Chime account is active and in good standing. If your account is inactive or has been suspended, you will need to resolve the issue before you can use your virtual card. Next, check that your virtual card has not been locked or restricted. If you have made multiple incorrect login attempts or suspect fraudulent activity, your card may have been locked for security reasons. To resolve the issue, open the Chime mobile app and navigate to the card section. Tap on the virtual card and select the Unlock or Reactivate option. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and unlock your card. If your virtual card is still unavailable, try restarting the Chime app or clearing the cache. This can resolve any technical issues that may be causing the problem. Another possible solution is to contact Chime customer support. You can reach them through the app, phone, or email. They will be able to assist you with unlocking your virtual card or resolving any underlying issues. To avoid having your virtual card become temporarily unavailable in the future, make sure to keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and start using your Chime virtual card again. Remember to always prioritize your account security and keep your information confidential to avoid any potential issues. It is also important to note that Chime may temporarily restrict or lock your virtual card as a security measure to protect your account. If this happens, it is essential to cooperate with Chime and provide the required information to verify your identity and unlock your card. By taking these precautions and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your Chime virtual card remains available and secure for all your online transactions.